Hi friends, welcome to Excel Adventures. So today I'm going to share with you a tutorial video which explains how we can create an interactive dashboard like this. So as I shared this dashboard in the previous video, so you can see how the interactive dashboard works, and you can create this kind of dashboard in Excel itself. So let's begin our video so that you can start learning how to create a dashboard like this. So I have a raw data here. Let me open this. Yep. So I have a raw data. So if you want to present the data to your management team, so if you send this kind of data, they will not gonna see because there are 9,000, 10,000 or more than that, right? So they can't go and each and every row and check the report. So you need to create a interactive dashboard where they can analyze the data with the minimum effort. So that's why we are creating the dashboard. So in this, what we need to do is like to merge all the different charts into one dashboard. We need to first create a different chart for each categories, so that we can combine all the categories in a one dashboard. So if you go with Power BI or Tableau or any other visualization tools, so everywhere, if you want to create a end dashboard with the multiple charts or any diagrams, so first you need to prepare a different category wise report. So first we will go with the ship mode wise report. For that, what we will do, first select the entire data and then go to insert, click on pivot table. So I have already created the sheets, so I will select existing worksheet. If you are not created, you can click on new worksheet. So I created, so I will click on location. Now I will go for ship mode wise. So I will select the row where I need to create the pivot table and click OK. So now the pivot table is appear here. Now we want ship mode wise report, sales report. So ship mode is here. We will drag that to rows. The ship modes are appearing like first class, same day, second class, standard class. So for each ship mode, we want a sales data. So we have a sales here. We will move to values. So each class we have a data. So we will take the decimal places into 2, so it looks fine. So we have one table. Next we will create and at the end, once we prepare all the report, then we will create a chart. Okay, so now what we need to do, like just copy this and go to another tab. So here we want state wise report, so just paste that, and here ship mode, you need to move the ship mode to top. Now you need to select state. So here the state, so state wise, so each state wise sales data we have. Now we will go to region. So for that, again, you already copied here, so go to region wise sales report, click here and paste that. Now again, you need to move the ship mode to the top and drag, come down, you select the region. So we have a region wise sales report. Now we want region wise category wise quantity, like how many quantities are of ordered in each category of product in each region. So what we will do, we already copied the pivot table, so we will go to this region wise, so we'll select here and paste this. So here ship mode, we need to move to the top. Now come to the and move that region to rows. So we have a region. Now we want a product category. So category we are moving to columns so that each category is divided here. So like the furniture is one category, office supplies and the technology. So all the combined will come into the grand total. So we have a region wise categorical quantity. Now we want a product category wise sales. So we will paste that pivot table here, and now move the ship mode to the top, and now want product category wise sales. So only category wise sales categories, and for each category what is the sales, we will get that data here. Now we want category wise sales and profit together, like what is the sales. And so we will move the ship mode to the top. We want category wise sales, and one sales is there, and again we want profit. And also we can create another sheet for region wise, so we will do that one. Region wise profit. So here we are going to paste that. Now move the ship mode to the top, pull down, pull the regions, move the sales to the top. Now drag the profit. So this is the profit of region wise. So now we have all the report ready. Now we need to insert the charts. So first one, for ship mode, like we have only few categories, and the sales data is available for this category, each category. So we can just use a simple clustered column chart. So for that, what you need to do, just click on the pivot table inside that, in anywhere inside the pivot table, then go to analyze, click on pivot chart. Once you click on pivot chart, by default it will show all the charts, like which will be suitable and how it will look. So just we want the clustered column chart. Okay, so we have clustered column chart here. One chart is ready. Now we will go to state-wise sales report. So for this one, like if you want to use a tree map and map and the other waterfall method and all, so for that, if you click on inside the pivot table, in the pivot chart it will not appear, like you can't import provide the map chart to the pivot table data. So what you need to do, just copy this entire pivot table and paste beside that, paste special. Now selected all the data. Now you need to go to insert and go to map, click on map. So it will give the data here. So any color you want, you can select based on the color you want. So I will select this one now. Here only the regions with the data, you can select them, and map labels best fit only, so those will show here. And map projection, you can select, I will select automatic so that it will automatically put the size and all. So that's it, and series color is fine. We will change the series color. Lowest value will be in a red and the highest value will be in a green. So this will come as a highest one. Okay, so now it's done. What we will do, we will remove the chart title in the legend. So California, every states are showing here now. Now our state-wise sales report is ready. So now we will go to region-wise. So for this one, we will use the donut chart. Just click on the pivot table, go to Analyze, Pivot Chart, go to Pivot Chart, and click on Donut. And OK. So our donut chart is ready now. Now we want region-wise categorical. So just click on any of the cell in the pivot chart, then go to Analyze, Pivot Chart, and go for bar chart now. Okay, now we can easily see, like for west we have a three categories like technology, office supplies, furniture, and for same with south, east, and central. So each will provide the data here. And now we will go to product category wise sales. So for this one we will use the tree map. Tree map will help us. For that we can't insert the tree map as well. Like see, if you see, you can't create this chart type by with the inside the pivot table for this one, and same with the map chart, and for also with the sunburst, then waterfall, funnel. So all of these data will not comes with the pivot table. So what you need to do, if you want to insert for a tree map or any other chart, so just copy this data, paste here as a paste special. Then for entire data we will reduce the decimal places. Now select entire data, go to insert, and click on tree map. So tree map will help us to get the data in a branch wise, like this is one branch, this is one branch, this is one branch, this is the combined of grand total. So you can see that, like the technology have a huge amount, so it is representing the 2 column width. Now we will go for category wise sales. So for this one, here why we are using combo clustered bar and line graph, because we have a two data, like we have one is category, more than two, like sales is there and profit also is there, so we can't represent them in a one data set. So what we'll do, click on the pivot table, go to Analyze, click on pivot chart, and now here we need to go to combo. So in combo what we can do, for sum of sales we will use a clustered column, this first one clustered columns, and for sum of profit we will use the line graph, so that it will show the profit margin here. So this is enough for this file, and we will click on OK. Now we have the data here, and now finally we have another one is region wise profit. So for this one we can go to uh, pie chart. So we will use the pie chart here. Data labels will show the data. So now finally we will go to dashboard creation. first what we can do is select this a view and click on hide grid lines. So the grid lines will go. Now what we will do, go to page layout. If you want to bring some background, then go to backgrounds. In the page layout, background, and if you have any file you downloaded in your local computer, so you can select from the file, or else you can browse from the internet as well. So I will just go to this one, and so I have already installed few background pictures. We will okay, we will use this one. Yep, this is fine. And now what we can do is go to insert, or else we will do one thing. We will select the entire sheet and go to home tab. We will give a random color, so more, so the purple is there. So okay, so you can select any background. So just I will go with this background. Now we need to go to insert. So as of now, how many categories we have? Dashboards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. Total 7 are there. So we need to insert 7 shape, and we need to select the total 7 charts are there. So we need to insert 7 chart. I will go with this kind of shape. So first I will draw this. I will make it big size because we okay, so now we insert a shape of the same shape. So that is the flavor. Shape is same flavor. Okay, one step now copy this. So okay, now we go. So it's for categories. Okay, and then copy it. This one you go after that. Okay, and then copy that. This one. This one's very good. This is and then we have more categories. Categories, sales, and profit. These are our chart. Sales and profit. Also, regional profit we can insert it as sales and profit. Okay, so we have all the template here. Now first what we will do, first we will go to state-wise sales report. Click on this chart, Control X, come to the dashboard, paste here. And in the design, we need to select this one. Chart title is not required. Legend is not required. Okay. Now it's done. Border no fill. So we have here. You change color. No, white. Red. Now it's fine. So this is fine. Now we have product category sales report. Okay, ship mode wise, this one is there. Got and good. Okay, and okay, so this is okay, you want now we will slice. So in this one, the okay, so this one. Okay, now the ship mode wise report is ready. Now we will take region wise sales. Region wise sales report. Okay, it's look good. Okay, now region wise quantity order. Region wise categorical quantity. Okay, now we have here. We will take this one to this chart, move this one to this one, so that this one also um, move this one and change the color of the text to white and bold. Yes, this is what we so here we need to change now. This one is to no fine. Yeah. So the change the font brown color. Okay, so outline font shape of it now. In the size. Look at the notes. Look at the this one. Oh, that's good. You keep we'll go now. So we go basics and the chart table does not have. So we will make this here. Yeah. Okay, values are there. So this one could hold that. Make it bold. In the size. Okay, that's fine. Now we want categorize sales report. So this one we'll go to analyze pivot chart and we'll go to combo cluster and the sum profit. Yep, so this is good. Now click OK. Got this. Go to dashboard. This one is white. Click on this. Okay, no. Over the lights. Let it scale it for. So we'll change the size. So apply to it. Okay, more like. Okay, now all the data are available here. We need one more, that is so we need to remove this. So we want to move that. Here. We need to bring the quantity here. Okay, so now go to dashboard. Quantities are showing now. And here we need region wise profit, or else we will bring this one. So we have all presented here. Now we need to assign this legends. I will move to down bottom. Yep, it looks good. Okay, so now just click on any of the table, then go click on any of the table, go to analyze, click on insert slicer. So here the slicer will help us to filter the data. It will give the list of all the categories what we are selecting. So based on that, once we click on that each cell, so it will get automatically updated. So we want ship mode, we can filter with ship mode, and we can filter with state, then we can filter with region, we want category wise, and the sales is not required, profit not required. That's it. I think any segment not required, country, city, order, ship. Okay, only 3 4 product name is not. Okay, so we have these 4 5. What we can do, just go to the right, arrange it in a order. So once the so now we click on this one, styles, so we can add new slicer style as well. Click there, go to format, and we can select the bold letters, the color of text in a red color, and fill with yellow. Okay, so like this it will show. Okay, so I will select this format to all. Control, we will change the format to this one. This looks good. Now what you need to do is click on this, right click, report connection. So you need to select to all the tables. So to all the table, if we want to, if we click on this particular filter, it will apply to all the table data. And same way you can't do this report connection for multiple filters at a time. You need to do one by one slicer. So once you've done this one, you go to this one, right click, report connection. If you did not include this report connection to any of the pivot table, the chart, then when you are clicking on any filter, it will not affect reflect in the table. And I will click here, right click, report connection, done. Okay, so all the filters are now linked to each other, each chart. So now if I click on any one of the chart, then any one of the slice, like any filter, if I select the same day, it the filter will affect to all the charts. Let's try this one. So if I click on first class, now all the charts will show the first class data. Okay, so if I click on same day, all the charts will show the same day data, second class data, standard class data. And if you want to multiple selections, then click on this, right click. So once it activated, so if I click on this one, so two classes are selected, standard and, if you see here, standard class and second class, and I include first class, then I will include same day. So all the classes are appear here. So I will want only state, this state wise, so this will come in the west, so it will show the west. So west data it will show for furniture, technology, office, everything, and this is the west data. And if I select another country, it is in south, so it will go for south, south. So like, now every data are selected. Okay, so everything is reflecting fine now. Hope you understand the trick, and if you have any doubts or if you want any clarifications, mention in the comment box. I will review that and I will get back to you. Thank you. Take care.